What if something millions celebrate every single year? Is not as simple as people think? Cake, candles, gifts, photos, songs, a happy moment. That is how most people see birthdays. But many Muslims quietly ask, is celebrating birthdays allowed in Islam? Is it harmless? Is it just culture? Or is it something we should seriously think about? Most people answer quickly. Very few study the issue carefully. And by the end of this video, you may never look at birthdays the same way again, because this topic is not really about cake. It is about truth, purpose, and what pleases Allah. Now listen carefully. Why does this matter so much? Because many people think if everyone does it, it must be okay. But popularity has never been the measure of truth. Many things become normal in society without becoming right, and Islam teaches believers to ask, what pleases Allah? Not only, what pleases people? That is where everything changes. So what have scholars said? Scholars have differed on birthday celebrations. Some discourage yearly birthday celebrations as imitation, or as a repeated custom not practiced by the Prophet and his companions. Others may allow simple family gatherings, if nothing sinful is involved. So yes, there is a difference of opinion. But one thing is clear. A Muslim should not follow culture blindly. A Muslim should seek knowledge sincerely. And that is the part many people skip. But here is the deeper question. What often happens at birthdays today? Music, showing off, waste, pride, posting for attention, competing over gifts, money spent to impress people, who may forget the event tomorrow. Now be honest with yourself. Is that really celebration? Or social pressure? Because some people do not celebrate from joy. They celebrate because they feel they must. And that can become a trap. Now here is something powerful most people miss. A birthday is not only a party. It is also a reminder. One more year is gone. One more year closer to death. One more year added to your record. One less year remaining. People celebrate getting older, but rarely reflect on getting closer to meeting Allah. Think deeply about that. What if instead of asking, what gifts did I receive? You asked, what did I give Allah this year? That question can change a life. And here's the part many people avoid. Some people focus on celebrations, while forgetting prayer, gratitude, purpose, and repentance. Imagine celebrating the day you were born, while ignoring the reason you were born. That is a painful contradiction. So if someone asks, should I celebrate or not? The wise answer is this. Learn sincerely. Follow trustworthy scholars. Avoid anything clearly sinful. Avoid blind imitation. And use your life for what benefits your akhirah. If your birthday comes, you can use that day for reflection, gratitude, charity, dua, repentance, helping family, thanking Allah for another year. That is far more valuable than candles. Now ask yourself honestly, if Allah gave you one more year, what did you do with the last one? Did you grow closer to Him, or only older in age? Because many people count birthdays, but do not count deeds. And one day, there will be no next birthday left. Only accountability before Allah. Maybe this video was not random. Maybe it was a reminder, not to argue, but to wake up, not to judge others, but to examine yourself. The real celebration is not surviving another year. The real celebration is using another year to please Allah. If this reminder touched your heart, subscribe for more reminders that bring you closer to Allah, and share this with someone before their next birthday arrives.